Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Calissa, and today I'm going to be doing this look right here, real tropical, and I'm really loving it. My hair's a little bit more to towards the side, and I feel like don't you wanna. In my last video, obviously you guys know I got the Thirsty palette. This blue was speaking to my soul, and I was like, I have to do something blue today. I'm super excited to show you guys how the look that I created, and I hope that you guys enjoy the video. So yes, if you guys want to see how to get this look right here and look fire and sexy and tropical, then just keep watching. Alright guys, that is it. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I loved how the look came out. It did give me a little bit of a challenge, and I just want to say that the dark blue that I used in the Morphe palette, that was very patchy on this side. So what I actually had to do was take my P. Louise base, put it all over the blue that I had already had. I tapped it out, and then I had to take that blue and pack it on so that I can color. Like, this eye came out really nice, but this one came out more wonky, so I had to literally work double with this eye. I don't know what happened, but that is all that I have for you guys today. I love how the look came out, and I loved how my skin came out. Such a good skin day. Thank you, because I've been having horrible skin the past week. I don't know what has been going on. Happy Saturday, or whenever you guys are watching this, and thank you so much for checking out my video. Make sure that you subscribe and that you hit the notification button to be notified of when I post new videos. I hope my little bimbas have a blessed day. Bye.